Greetings of hope and peace to all of you as we begin this joyful and spirit-filled tradition of Simbang Gabi, also known as Misa de Gallo, as we journey through the season of Advent. I am Father Jeff Fernandez, Director of Worship of our diocese and the current President of the National Association of Filipino Priests, USA. The season of Advent is not only about the hope of a people longing for the Messiah. It is also a time of great mercy, for God has given us the greatest gift of all, His only begotten Son, born to Mary and Joseph on Christmas Day. Advent, together with our beautiful novena of Simbang Gabi, is a sacred moment for us to prepare our hearts and to express our gratitude to the Lord for the gift He has prepared for us since the foundation of time. Today, I humbly appeal for your prayers and for your generous hearts as we prepare for the gathering of Filipino-American priests serving throughout the United States for the 5th National Assembly of the National Association of Filipino Priests, USA, to be held on November 3 to 6, 2026, and hosted by the Northern California dioceses. I am deeply grateful to your pastor for allowing us to have a second collection at this Mass. Your generosity will support the continuing education, fraternal solidarity, and brotherhood of nearly 1,000 priests and 6 bishops of Filipino descent serving in parishes and various ministries throughout the Church in the United States. Thank you for your prayers, thank you for your support, and thank you for your generosity. May God bless the kindness of your hearts. Mabuhay kayong lahat at maraming salamat po.